In my experience, 8 out of 10 students aiming for Band 7 are actually giving Band 6 answers. In this video, you will hear Band 6 versus Band 9 responses to the questions the examiner asks. After every question, you will hear an in-depth analysis. I have personally coached candidates who went from Band 6 to Band 8.5 in just a few months. Let's get started. Part 1. Introduction and Interview. Good morning, my name is Ashley Williams. Could you tell me your name, please? Band 6 student.
My name is Joan Park.
Band 9 student.
My full name is Lily Kim, but please just call me Lily.
Analysis. At first glance, you might think both responses are fine. They're both correct and clear. But let me teach you to see what an IELTS examiner sees. The Band 6 response provides only the minimum required information. It's correct, but demonstrates no language range, no natural conversation skills, and no fluency development. The Band 9 response does something remarkable. It treats this basic question as an opportunity to demonstrate natural conversation flow. Notice how the speaker provides additional context and a casual observation. This shows the candidate can think and communicate naturally in English, not just respond to questions mechanically. This reveals our first key principle. Band 9 speakers never waste an opportunity to demonstrate language skills naturally. Where are you from? Band 6 student.
I am from Korea. I live in Seoul.
Band 9 student.
I am originally from South Korea and I live in Seoul, which is the capital city. It's a vibrant, modern city with a rich cultural history.
Analysis. This comparison shows how a simple factual response can be transformed into a detailed and engaging one. The Band 6 response is short and basic. It's a correct answer, but it's minimal. The Band 9 response expands with context, providing more information about Seoul. Words like vibrant, modern, and rich cultural history showcase a richer vocabulary and the ability to describe things more engagingly. This demonstrates the speaker's ability to go beyond the basic facts and provide a more comprehensive answer. Do you live in a big city or a small town? Band 6 student.
I live in a big city. It is crowded and noisy but has many shops and schools.
Band 9 student.
I live in a large metropolitan city. While it can be crowded and hectic at times, it offers endless opportunities, from world-class universities to diverse job prospects and cultural events.
Analysis. Here, we see a clear distinction in vocabulary. The Band 6 student uses generic and repetitive words like crowded and noisy. The Band 9 student uses rich vocabulary like metropolitan and endless opportunities. The Band 9 response also uses a more complex sentence structure to show both the negatives, such as crowded and hectic, and the positives of living in a big city. This shows a sophisticated ability to express nuanced ideas. Do you live in a quiet or a busy area? Band 6 student.
I live in a busy area. Many cars and people, so it is noisy.
Band 9 student.
I live in a fairly busy district, with constant traffic and lots of activity. It can get noisy, but the energy of the place makes it exciting.
Analysis. The Band 6 answer is functional but limited. The Band 9 answer adds nuance and natural phrasing. Instead of just stating it is noisy, the Band 9 student says, the energy of the place makes it exciting. This is a more creative and positive way to describe a busy area, demonstrating higher-level communication skills. Do you think your area is a good place for young people? Band 6 student.
Yes, because there are many schools and shops. Young people can meet friends and go shopping.
Band 9 student.
Yes, definitely. There are plenty of educational institutions, entertainment facilities, and job opportunities. For young people, it's an ideal environment to learn, socialize, and develop independence.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is limited and repetitive. The Band 9 response uses precise and varied vocabulary, such as educational institutions and entertainment facilities. It also provides a more detailed explanation of why it's a good place for young people, showing a deeper understanding of the topic and a wider range of vocabulary. Do you know your neighbors well? Band 6 student.
Not very well. I sometimes say hello, but that's all.
Band 9 student.
Not particularly well, to be honest. We exchange greetings and occasionally small talk, but we don't really socialize. Still, there's a friendly atmosphere in the building.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is too short and uses basic grammar. The Band 9 response is expanded with a natural tone, using phrases like "to be honest" and "exchange greetings." This makes the response sound more natural and conversational, which is a key trait of a high-scoring candidate. How often do you see your neighbors? Band 6 student.
I see them a few times a week, usually in the lift.
Band 9 student.
I run into them several times a week, usually in the elevator or the lobby. We don't spend much time together, but there's regular casual contact.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is simple and correct. This is not enough for a higher band score. The Band 9 response adds more detail and uses more natural phrasing like "run into them" and "casual contact." This shows the ability to use a wider range of vocabulary and idioms, making the response more fluid and impressive. Do you consider yourself a good neighbor? Why? Band 6 student.
Yes, because I am quiet and don't make problems. I respect them.
Band 9 student.
I would like to think so. I try to be considerate by keeping noise levels down, greeting people politely, and helping out when small issues arise, such as collecting parcels if someone isn't home.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is short and vague. The Band 9 response is expanded with concrete examples, such as collecting parcels. This gives the answer more substance and shows the ability to provide specific details to support a point, which is a key skill for a high score. Part 2. Cue card. Now I'm going to give you a topic, and I'd like you to talk about it for 1 to 2 minutes. Here is your cue card. You have 1 minute to prepare. You can take notes if you want. Describe an actor or actress you admire. You should say who he, she is, what he, she looks like, what kind of movies he, she appears, and explain why you admire this actor, actress. 1 minute for preparation is over. Please begin when you are ready. Band 6 student.
The actor I admire is Jackie Chan. He is from Hong Kong. He is not very tall and he has black hair. He usually wears casual clothes. He appears in action movies like kung fu movies. I watched many of them when I was young. He is very funny also, because he makes jokes in the movies. I like that he can do stunts by himself, and he doesn't need other people to do them. I admire him because he is talented, and also because he worked hard to be famous. I read that his childhood was not easy, but he became successful. That is why I like him.
Band 9 student.
An actor I truly admire is Benedict Cumberbatch, the British actor known for his versatility and distinctive voice. Physically, he's tall, with sharp facial features, and an elegant yet approachable style. He has appeared in a wide range of films and series, from playing Sherlock Holmes in the BBC adaptation to portraying Doctor Strange in the Marvel Universe. What impresses me most is his ability to embody such diverse roles, moving effortlessly from serious drama to lighthearted comedy. I admire him for several reasons. First, he brings incredible depth to his characters, making even fictional figures feel real. Second, he is known for his professionalism and dedication. I once read that he immersed himself in research for weeks to accurately portray real-life figures. Beyond acting, he is also socially conscious, often speaking up about humanitarian issues. For me, Benedict Cumberbatch represents what a modern actor should be: talented, adaptable, and socially responsible. He inspires me not just as an artist, but also as a person who uses his platform for meaningful change.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is a simple report of basic facts. It lists simple observations about Jackie Chan. He is from Hong Kong, he is not very tall, and he has black hair. The vocabulary is limited and repetitive, using simple adjectives like talented and funny multiple times. The grammar is basic and lacks complexity, with many short, simple sentences. In contrast, the Band 9 response is a rich description that creates an immersive experience. The speaker immediately uses advanced vocabulary to introduce the actor, describing him with phrases like versatility and distinctive voice, and an elegant yet approachable style. It uses detailed examples to support claims, such as mentioning specific roles like Sherlock Holmes and Doctor Strange to illustrate his versatility. The speaker also provides a powerful example of the actor's dedication. stating, "I once read that he immersed himself in research for weeks." This is a key example of a high-scoring response. The speaker also reflects on why they admire him, which is a key element of a high-scoring response. The Band 9 response goes beyond simple admiration by explaining what the actor represents to them, using phrases like, "For me, Benedict Cumberbatch represents," and "He inspires me not just as an artist, but also as a person." This personal reflection shows a deeper level of engagement and critical thinking. Part 3. Discussion. Abstract topics. How do movie stars influence society and culture? Band 6 student.
They influence people because many fans copy their clothes and style. People also watch movies more because of them.
Band 9 student.
They have a huge influence, not only in fashion and lifestyle, but also in shaping opinions. For example, when actors support charities or speak out on social issues, they can inspire public action.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is basic and lists simple reasons like support charities or speak out on social issues. In comparison, the Band 9 response is more nuanced and provides a concrete example to support the argument. This shows a deeper understanding of the topic and the ability to provide specific, relevant examples. What qualities do you think are important for an actor or actress to be successful? Band 6 student.
They need to be talented and work hard. They must act well.
Band 9 student.
Talent and hard work are fundamental, but versatility, emotional intelligence, and resilience are equally important. A successful actor needs to adapt to different roles and deal with criticism.
Analysis. The Band 6 response lists the most obvious qualities. The Band 9 response uses a wider vocabulary and lists more specific qualities like versatility, emotional intelligence, and resilience. This demonstrates a more comprehensive and sophisticated understanding of the topic. Do you think celebrities have a responsibility to be role models? Band 6 student.
Yes, because many people follow them, so they should be good examples.
Band 9 student.
I think to some extent, yes. Since celebrities live in the public eye, their behavior can influence millions. While they're not perfect, they should be aware of their impact, especially on young fans.
Analysis. The Band 6 answer is a very simple yes-no response with a basic reason. The Band 9 response adds nuance with the phrase "to some extent" and provides a more detailed explanation of why celebrities should be aware of their impact, especially on young fans. How has the film industry changed over the years in your country? Band 6 student.
Before, there were not many movies. Now more movies, more cinemas, and online movies.
Band 9 student.
The film industry has become more globalized and digital. In the past, films were only shown in cinemas, but now streaming platforms dominate. Local productions have also improved in quality and gained international recognition.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is factual but lacks detail. If you want a higher score, you need to extend your answers. Now let's listen to the Band 9 response. The student uses advanced vocabulary like globalized, digital, and streaming platforms. Most importantly, she provides a historical context and mentions the improvement of local productions, showing a more comprehensive view. That is what examiners are looking for. In what ways do movies and television shows impact people's behavior and attitudes? Band 6 student.
People sometimes copy what they see in movies. For example, clothes or how people talk.
Band 9 student.
Films and shows can shape attitudes towards relationships, culture, or even politics. For instance, a film highlighting environmental issues can raise awareness and change public behavior.
Analysis. The Band 6 answer is limited to external factors like clothes and how people talk. On the other hand, the Band 9 response expands on this by mentioning attitudes towards relationships, culture, or politics, and provides a specific example related to environmental issues. This shows a deeper level of analysis, which makes the student thoroughly answer the question. Do you believe that celebrities should speak out on political and social issues? Why or why not? Band 6 student.
Yes, because they are famous and many people listen to them. But maybe sometimes it makes problems.
Band 9 student.
Yes, I believe they should as long as they are informed. Their voices carry weight and can draw attention to critical issues. However, they should also recognize their responsibility to speak carefully and avoid spreading misinformation.
Analysis. The Band 6 response is a simple yes, with a basic acknowledgement of potential problems. In contrast, the Band 9 response is much more complex and nuanced. Listen to the following sentence, as long as they're informed. In addition, she discusses the responsibility of celebrities to speak carefully and avoid misinformation. This demonstrates balanced perspective that IELTS examiners would appreciate. I hope this video helps you understand the difference between a Band 6 and a Band 9 response. By focusing on vocabulary, grammar, fluency, and a deeper analysis of the topics, you can significantly improve your score. I will continue to bring you more videos like this to help you on your IELTS journey. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with my 2 weekly videos. All the best in your preparation.